Hey folks, I wanted to classify certain companies as whether they are a client, customer, or they're a business partner or a supplier. And I figured that this activity used to take a lot of time with a lot of manual updates and Excel sheets and updating onto the CRM. But with Attio, this will become so simple. The first thing you need to do is you've got to have a particular attribute, and we've defined some attributes over here: customer, product vendor, mentor, competitor, opportunity, etc., and all of that. Now, as you can see over here, I've given one prompt and I'm saying that these are the specific companies that I wanted to tag them as a tool partner. And this is what it has done. It has basically found some companies that it is ready to update. And then there are certain companies that it has not found and it needs some update from me, right? And all I need to do is I need to say and this is going to go ahead and do the next step of updating those records. As you can see over here, there's an update record option coming here, and then it's basically asking me for approval process. This is much better than the earlier step where we'd have to do it on Excel sheets manually and then re-upload them onto the CRM. This is only possible because Attio has AI native features within it. You see the thinking capability that is going over here. This is basically an LLM behind it. It's either Anthropic or, like OpenAI, like Grok actually doing the job. Thank you, Ray.